is an Esab Buddy Arc 145, 230 watt, 50 to 60 hertz. This unit weighs about 3.6 kg, 60% duty cycle. It's very light. It's a light duty welding machine. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to weld. Okay, set this ampere about 60. Now I'm using a 2.6 mm size electrode. As you can see here, you don't have to warm up. It's a fast striking arc welding machine. You can weld up to 56. If you're using 3.2 mm size electrode, you can weld up to 20 sticks. But this is not a heavy duty welding machine, so don't use it for 24 hours.